What does seeing 1111 mean? Do signs mean anything? Today, that's what we're going to talk about. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I'm going to talk about what signs mean, like seeing 1111 or other things. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed with the intention to help you create something wonderful in your life. So guess what? Nothing means anything. Everything is empty and meaningless, and it only has the meaning you give it. So what does 1111 mean? Absolutely nothing, unless you give it a meaning, okay? So the reason why things don't mean anything is because of how we create. We create with our thoughts, okay? So if I intend to say, okay, you know what? Show me 1111. Okay, then that's what I've focused on. So my thoughts end up creating that and I will see it. Now, does it mean anything? No. Can you make it mean something? Absolutely. So signs don't mean anything, okay? I intend to see a blue duck if I'm on the right track. Well, guess what? It's called, to my conscious mind, seeing a blue duck. So guess what's going to happen? I'm going to see a blue duck regardless if I'm on the right track or not. Can I make seeing the blue duck mean that I'm on the right track? Absolutely. But does it necessarily mean that? No, it's empty and meaningless. I intended to see a blue duck. I saw a blue duck. Because how we create is when we consciously focus on something, then our reality actually collapses on that and then we see it, okay? So signs don't mean anything unless you actually give them a meaning. And, saying, hey, universe, show me a sign if I'm on the right track. That's like saying, there's something outside of me that's creating this, when really there's nothing outside of you actually creating anything. You're creating everything within you. If you want to be on the right track, say, I'm on the right track. I am going to create this in my life. You're the creator, okay? And every single thought that you have creates, okay? So nobody outside of you. There's no universe that's going to be like, okay, this is your path, okay? You choose your path. You become aware of it. You create it. How do you choose your path? Well, I intend to be in a committed relationship. That's your path, okay? So how do you know that you're on the right path? Well, you ask yourself, are all my thoughts in line with creating that committed relationship? Let's say, for instance, it's me and Jerry broke up and I intend to get him back. Now, if I'm manifesting getting back with Jerry, am I on the right path if my thoughts are he doesn't want to be with me, he'll never forgive me? Absolutely not. I intend to be on the right path. I intend for Jerry to forgive me. I intend for me and Jerry to get back together again. Okay, so everything in your reality is empty and meaningless, and it only has the meaning you give it. And the reason why it's empty and meaningless is because you create it. Okay, so if I create that, if I get the number 55 and I see it, that I get good luck. I mean, I'm essentially creating that, but I don't need to create that because the number 55 doesn't have any meaning unless I assign it that meaning. So we actually also create the meanings as well. So yeah, signs and, that sort of thing, they really don't mean anything unless you actually create a meaning for it. And if you are going to create meaning for things in your life, then make sure you're creating meanings that are working towards what you're actually creating. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.